climate is changing. Europe is challenged by more severe droughts, floods, and extreme weather events. New challenges require new solutions. Governments, investors, and city planners are looking for these new solutions, but they also want to be sure that an innovation really delivers what it promises. On the other hand, researchers and developers are working on innovations to reduce the impact of climate change. However, many promising innovations never reach the market. While the R&D community has brilliant ideas, their knowledge on requirements and constraints from end users is limited. Here we are on one side, research institutes, companies and visionaries with new products, concepts and services. On the other side, a demand for new solutions, products and services. How can we bridge this gap? This is how. We will bridge the gap by creating 3 pillars that will help improve the innovations: technical readiness, social readiness, and market outreach. Within Brigaid, we test and demonstrate the technical readiness of an innovation. The reliability and effectiveness of innovations is evaluated with independent tests. Technical readiness is assessed together with end users. Social readiness refers to the institutional context. What are the organizational and policy requirements of end users? Are there any barriers in society that impact the implementation of an innovation? Answering these questions may result in modification of product design and business models. Finally, Brigaid supports innovators in conducting financial arrangements and market analysis. This leads to business plans, thereby increasing the chances of a successful market introduction. Brigaid provides this support in living labs, where we bring innovators and end users together throughout the project's duration. There, we jointly assess to what extent innovations reduce the impacts of floods, droughts, and extreme weather. How does Brigaid support innovators? Brigaid provides tools to support innovators in testing, improving, and demonstrating their products. Financial support can be provided to cover for material expenses and equipment for testing. Brigaid also supports innovators in assessing market opportunities on the European level and in developing business plans. Exposure is given to innovations through the Brigaid Climate Innovation Window, which is an online marketplace where innovators, end users, and investors are connected. What can Brigaid do for end users? Brigaid works with end users to create living labs which are used to experiment with innovations in a real environment. We help them to identify and select interesting innovations matching their needs. Through Brigaid, end users can learn from other living labs where similar problems are being tackled. Brigaid is a European-wide network of research institutes, companies, innovators, and end users. Our network facilitates the implementation of innovative and effective climate adaptation solutions. Interested to engage with us? As an innovator or as an end user? We warmly invite you to visit our website and to contact us.